In this video, I will share my solution to AI anxiety. AI is overwhelming. People say this is the future and we should follow. But there are so many terms and concepts and new tools, we don't even know where to start. And AI is fast. When we just spend a whole week learning how to use one tool, and then the next day when we wake up, there's already a new one coming, claiming being much better than the one we just learned. My solution to all this is what I call AI teammate. AI teammate is a term I use for AI agent installed on your own device. AI agent is a general term. It could mean AI agent like Claude Code or Codex that helps when you work. It could also mean autonomous structures like OpenClaw that works for you on its own. I will focus on the latter. It offers a bigger frame that covers more, a framework that you can make use of all sorts of AI tools, a framework that really belongs to you. All your knowledge, your preferences, your way of working all compounds over time on your own device. It doesn't scatter across 10 different apps. It doesn't disappear when you switch tools. And that framework is our solution to AI anxiety. The framework of an AI teammate has 4 parts. Once you understand that, you will know what to change and what to add whenever a new AI product pops up. The brain. The brain is the language model, the most important part for your AI teammate. It does the thinking, it understands your instructions, and decides what tool to use. Claude, GPT, Gemini, Minimax, Mistral, DeepSeek, these are all brain options. And here's the key. They are interchangeable. If a better one comes out, you swap it in. Your teammate just gets smarter. Everything else stays exactly the same. The hands and tools. With only the brain, an AI teammate can only chat, like ChatGPT in a browser. Once you give it hands and tools, it will be able to actually do different things. There's a key word worth remembering: API. An API is basically a door a service leaves open for softwares and AI agents. Work tools like Gmail, Notion has API. Real-world services like Google Map, Airbnb has API. Softwares like Spotify, YouTube also has API. And even payments have API like banks, PayPal, and Shopify. If a service can be controlled by an app, it has an API, and therefore can be plugged in to your AI teammates. Which services AI should or should not access is another topic. Now we just want to see the potential. If you add Gmail or Google Calendar API, your AI teammate can clean up spam emails and summarizes the important ones. And you won't have to edit each meeting in the calendar. Just tell your AI teammate, it will manage your schedule like a real assistant. If you add Figma or Gemini's Nano Banana API, you won't have to sit in front of the computer and think how to write the prompt. You can simply tell your AI teammate what design you want to see, and your AI teammate will be writing the prompt and checking the result and come back to you with the design. With API, it is your AI teammate that's using the tools, not you working with the tools. So, big models for writing, image and video editing, voice to text, 3D modeling, access to database, access to apps you already use. Each one is another hand. Through API, they can all be integrated into this one framework of yours on your own device. And the best part, you don't need to understand how each tool works. You just need to set up your AI teammate and name the tool or service that you want to add. Your AI teammate will know how to set it up and what to do with it. The memory. This is the part that holds it all together. Your AI teammate's memory is everything it knows about you. Your projects, your preferences, your past decisions, your way of working. In technical terms, this is persistent context, files, notes, conversation history. Your AI teammate will write most of its memory in Markdown files. Don't panic, it's not much different from TXT or DOC. But the great thing about Markdown is that it's not coding files that only AI or programmers can read. This is the format that's both for you and AI. AI will write it in plain language, exactly the same language you use to talk to it. If you talk to your AI teammate in Latin, it will write it in Latin. So this makes it very easy for you to keep control. If you want to modify its memory, just open the Markdown file and write it the way you want. But there's a distinction to pay attention to. For AI agents on cloud-based platforms, this memory lives on the provider servers. For local setups like OpenClaw, Hermes agent, or CaroAI, it lives on your device. You own it completely. When you swap the brain, the memory stays. When you add new tools, the memory stays. This is why the time you invest in it won't be a waste. The channels. Channels are how you communicate with your AI teammate. It can be the messaging apps you already use, WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord. You talk to your AI teammate the way you talk to a human teammate. You can also install a local voice-to-text model, and you'll be able to actually speak to it. No need to type anymore. And believe me, it's totally worth it. It will make your life so much easier with speaking. When we put it all together, brain, hands, memory, channels, 4 parts, 1 framework. And this is a framework that covers it all. Each spare part can be changed or can be upgraded, and the whole structure stays the same, stays yours. So where do we actually begin? There are 2 paths. 1, local. Projects like OpenClaw, Hermes agents, and CaroAI let you run everything on your own device. Your data stays with you. You pick which brain and tools to use, and you have full control. It takes some time to set up, but it stays local. Path 2, managed platforms. Manus, Codex, Claude Cowork are all building in this direction. A complete environment where the brain, tools, and interface are integrated for you. This path is easier to start with, but the trade-off, you're more tied to their ecosystem and your data lives on their servers. Pick a path that fits how you work and start. Now think about what this means for the AI anxiety we talked about. New model drops, swap the brain. Your AI teammate just got smarter. Amazing new design tool launches, give your AI teammate a new hand. It will learn how to use it and teaches you as well. One service or platform raises price or shuts down, your memory, your data stays local, stays yours. Switch to something else and keep going. Every update from the big companies, OpenAI, Google, Anthropic, all of it becomes an upgrade to your own framework, an enhancement, not a reason to start over. That's the shift. You go from chasing the tools to having a framework where tools come to you. If this was useful, please let me know. And in the next video, I will show you what it looks like to actually work with an AI teammate.